What happened? Where are we?
I think we're in the RV dealership. Nobody cares RV dealership?
So nobody has any RVs or campers?
Yeah, and even if they do have inventory, they don't have any special deals or added value.
So what are we gonna do? No freedom, no fun?
Go ahead and say it, Barbara.
Larry!
Barb's Adam! Hurry! I heard that you guys are in a hurry to find a great deal on an RV from someone you can trust. Hey, talk to me, people. You know why? Everybody loves Larry.
We don't even know you.
Let me talk to him, Barb.
Yeah, let's talk.
So we've been trying to enter the world of RVing, but nobody has inventory. There's no deals, added value, or customer care.
Well, let me tell you, we got what you need. Just check this out.
I just don't know.
Come on, buckaroo. You and me were simpatico. Yin to my yang, brother from another mother. I mean, look at us. We dress the same. We go to the same stores. You and me we're just like this. And we both love the RV warranty forever. I mean, we love the Priority RV Service Network. You know, how about the exclusive VIP camping club? Plus, we have a great selection that'll fit any budget, anywhere you are, every new, used, whatever you need, we got it. So, what do I got to do to make a deal today with you guys? Come on.
Just give us a moment. We need to talk.
Oh, sure.
I kind of love Larry.
Yeah, it's probably the best RV dealership that we've seen. And they have the lifetime warranty, the Priority RV Network, customer care, and one of the best service centers. And I think I kind of like Larry as well.
All right, so what are you guys thinking? What are we doing?
I think we're going to get it.
Mine!